everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a clothing haul for you guys. It is a unique vintage clothing haul, which is my favorite kind of clothing haul, especially this year. I have a bunch of stuff here for you guys, but today is a different kind of unique vintage haul. I've done these before, but today is a spooky unique vintage haul. All of the things I have here, mainly t-shirts, are spooky, scary, horror related t-shirts that I got from their website. If you guys like any of them, make sure you go over to Unique Vintage and check them out. They are selling out really fast this year, but they are restocking fairly quickly, and they always post on Instagram when they restock their stuff, so follow them over there. This isn't sponsored or an ad or anything like that. I paid for all this myself, and with gift cards I got for my birthday. So that being said, let's jump into it. The first one is actually the shirt I have on now. It is the Black Flame candle shirt. It has banks and the brooms and the Black Flame candle and the vacuum cleaner, and it says, yeah, after 300 years on All Hallows Eve, the witches will rise. This is a super soft, comfortable t-shirt. I'll be trying on all this stuff, so you guys will see on one of these sides of me here how they look on. I did get I think I got a large in this one because this is a ladies cut. Some of them are unisex sizes, so if you like your t-shirts fitted like I do, you'll want to kind of play with the sizing and definitely check out the size charts. So other than this t-shirt, I did get a bunch of other ones, but I wanted to show you guys the headscarves I got first. So the first one is this Dracula one. They have a whole Universal Studios monster line this year. It's super cool. It's selling out like crazy. But I got the Dracula head wrap. There is a dress that matches this too. I just really don't know where I would wear it. So I just got the headband, or the headscarf, I should say. These are really big. Like, as you can see, I'm folding them over and over and over. But it has this red and blue stripe pattern with the bats and then Dracula and Dracula's face. And then I got the other one that they were offering, which is the Frankenstein one, which is this really pretty teal, and it says Frankenstein, and it has the monster and the monster's face on it, and then all these little like stitch kind of marks on there. So I got this one. These are all like a chiffon, so they're really soft and they're not going to damage your hair. And then from their separate Unique Vintage, I think this is the Unique Vintage brand. There's no tag on it, so I think it is. This is another headscarf, and this is the candy corn one. I'm not a fan of candy corn itself. I think it tastes like candle wax, but I really like the pattern, and I've already worn this one, and it does stay on your head. I tied it on with no bobby pins or anything like that, and it fit perfectly, so there is that one. Now moving on to some of the other t-shirts I got. I found this brand that I really like on Unique Vintage. It's called Mischief Made, and it is these vintage pinup t-shirts, and they have a ton of them. Like, they have their own website too, where you can get their full range, and then I think just the Halloween ones are on Unique Vintage. So they're all kind of this color, this kind of off-white. So the first one I got is this kind of pinup who is being attacked by a giant bat with a bunch of little bats around her. I love anything with like a vintage pinup on it. I automatically love. So I really love just the aesthetic, like her outfit, her hair, the whole like old creepy kind of like the birds scene where they're like attacking her, but I hate birds. So bats instead. So I got this one, and this is a large. These are ladies cuts. And then I got another one, which is more of like a heather tan color. And this is, they have a ton of witch ones, but this is the one that I liked. This one feels a little bit thicker and like a more stretchy cotton than the other one. But this is a little pinup witch with a black cat and then the owl over the moon with the little pumpkins on it, and I think it's super cute. And the last t-shirt I got, it says it's an American Apparel t-shirt, but it's cut from Culture Flock. That's the little brand there. And I got the Ghoul Gang t-shirt. This has been up on their site for a couple years now. You've probably seen it on Instagram. But it's the Bride of Frankenstein, Lily Munster, Elvira, and I believe Vampira, but with some cool sunglasses on. So yeah, since I did my First Ladies of Halloween videos this year, I wanted to make sure that I got this shirt because I have done all of these characters on my channel. The last one I got really isn't I mean, it's a t-shirt, but I wouldn't consider it like a normal t-shirt. It is more of a dressy t-shirt. It is a very thick, stretchy material and is from the Stitch Shop, which is by Loungefly. It's like their vintage dressy clothes that you can get in the Disney parks. But they had this adorable lavender shirt. It's so pretty. It's a little wrinkled because I have worn it. I wore it on my birthday. Scoop neck t-shirt, but zero is embroidered on it. Never in my life seen zero on something purple, let alone a shirt like this. I love these little cap sleeves. This, when I put it on, honestly felt like shapewear. It was like everything about me was sucked in and shaped and smoothed. Like, it was super nice. I loved the fit of this shirt. So like I said, this is the Stitch Shop. They have a bunch of really amazing skirts and stuff as well. These shirts are kind of meant to be tucked into like the big skirts you see on the site or into a pair of jeans or whatever. I tuck them into my high-waisted jeans. But when I tell you this shirt is so fitted and smoothing that it stayed down, like I did not have to fight with it at all. So I love this. I had a little vintage look going on my birthday. It was adorable. I forgot to take pictures. But with that Stitch Shop shirt, I did not know you get a pin with the things from them. So I got this one, and it is the undead duck and the spooky teddy bear from Nightmare Before Christmas. If you've been here a while, you know I love my pins. I love my pins. I love collecting them. I think I have over 500. So this was a fun surprise. The next thing I got is a sweater. It is a gray little one. It's from Banded Alternative. And it's this gray sweater that has a little black band at the bottom and on the sleeves, but it has this cute little spider web on it. On the neck, it's very much like, I would say, work appropriate. Like if you're having a Halloween party at work, or maybe you want to be a little spooky without going overboard and getting yelled at by corporate or whatever, you could wear this. It's very cute. It's very soft, and it's like that perfect weight if you're wearing a sweater all day. And the last thing I got is something I literally don't know when I'll wear it, or where I'll wear it to, but I love it. It is this penny for overall dress. So it has the little buckles, but it has bats on the pockets and spider webs on the pockets around the waist. It's adorable. I think I'm actually gonna wear it probably with this sweater, but it is so cute. I can't get over it. The material is really thick. This is from Hell Bunny. I have really good luck with Hell Bunny dresses and stuff, so I really wanted to get this one, but I can't get over how adorable this is. I'll probably wear it for Halloween or something, even though I'm not gonna be going anywhere. But yeah, I think it's so cute. So I'm really trying to just embrace the fact that I love wearing spooky clothes year round, and no one can tell me any different. So that's it. That's everything I got from Unique Vintage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like down below and comment on what your favorite piece was in here. So that is it for me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.